Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to the doctor and my friend. Today I would like to presenting about job analysis and type of jobs. Job analysis. First thing first, job analysis has 4 points. Number one is system process. Job analysis is an integral part of the system process within an organization. A system process refers to the structure and systemic approach used to manage various aspects to organization functioning, and the context of job analysis and system process involve several steps. Identification of need, data collection, data analysis and documentation. Point number 2 is process of study. Process of study, job role and requirement involve several key. Number 1, identifying job to analyze. Number 2, data collection method. Number 3, job analysis tool. Number 4, consultation. And number 5, documentation and reporting. Point number 3 is definition between job analysis and job review. Job analysis, job review and job classification distinct but related processes within HR management. Job analysis is systematic process of gathering document and analyzing information about job within an organization. It focuses on understanding job role, task, responsibility and requirements. Point number 4 referred to as review or job classification. Job analysis outcome can be used in job review process to assess how well employees performing their job duties based on documented job requirement. Next, I would like to presenting about type of job. Type of job I has a list 2 points. Number 1, is task based. Task based has 3 points. Number 1 is task. A task refers to a specific activity or action that an employee perform as part of their job role. Task typical, observable, measurable and has clear beginning and end. Example of tasks in various job role include answering phone call, writing report, conducting meeting, operating machine and providing customer support. Number 2 is duty. A duty consists a group related tasks that contribute achieving specific job objective or outcome. Number 3 is responsibility. Responsibility refers to the obligation or accountability associated within performing tasks and duty within a job role. It involves ensuring that tasks and duty completed accurately, timely, and aligned with organization policy, standard and expectation. Responsibility may also include the decision making, problem solving and managing resource effectively. Point number 2 is competency based. Competency based of job analysis, technical competencies and behavioral competencies, a key component used to assess an individual's suitability for a job role. Number 1, technical competency. Technical competency refer to the specific knowledge, skill, abilities that's required to perform tasks and function with a job role. This competence and typical related to technical expertise, industry specific knowledge, tool system and procedure. Number 2 is behavioral competences. Behavioral competences, also known as a soft skill or interpersonal skill, refer to the personal attribute, behavior and trait that contribute affect job performance. Example is communication skill, problem solving and critical thinking, teamwork and collaboration, leadership and management abilities, adaptability and flexibilities, time management and organization, emotional intelligence and empathy. That's all from me. Thank you, my friend and doctor. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Natasha Izzat Najwa binti Abdul Rahman from BTMI Section 1. Now I will present about a job analysis method. First thing first, job analysis is the process of studying a job, determine which activities and responsibilities it includes, its relative importance to other job, the qualification necessary for performance of the job, and the condition under which the work is performed. There are several methods that used by company that helps the company to hire the right quality of workforce. First is questionnaire. Such a questionnaire are given to the employee to answer their job. It was typically quick and economical, but this method have potential problem, which is they might lack of verbal skill and exaggerate the significance of their task. Second is observation. Observation is when the analyst watch their worker perform their job task and record observation. It is used primarily to gather information, emphasizing manual skills, but the problem is it is insufficient when used alone. It also difficult when mental skills are dominant in a job. Next is interview. These methods are used both for employee and supervisor. They will interview the employee to help them describe duties performed. After interview, analysts normally contact the supervisor for additional information. Next is employee recording. Employee will describe their daily work activity in diary or log. This is a value in understanding highly specialized job. This method may have problem, which is employee might exaggerate the job importance. Next is critical incident technique, which or CIT. This was proposed by John Flanagan that behavior in specific situation contribute to the success or failure of individual. In CIT, interview and questionnaire are used to collect information on the critical incident. These methods are more suitable for middle and top management level. The last one is combination of methods. It is used to get the best result of the company. It can balance time and cost constraint. Also balance the strength and weakness of each method. With this method, company can obtain both quantitative and qualitative data. Next is conducting job analysis. People who participate in job analysis should include first employee, second supervisor, and third is job analyst that conduct background research, interview job incumbent and supervisor, make site observation, and then prepare a detailed document for job analysis. And lastly, there are several steps in job analysis. Step 1 is decide how the organization will use the information. Step 2, review the relevant background information. And step 3, select the representative position. Step 4, actually analyze the job. Step 5, verify the job analyst information. And lastly, step 6, develop a job description and job specification. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Islam Zamri. Today I want to talk about job description and job specification. Job description provide information regarding the external tasks, duties and responsibility of the job. Job description as a foundational tool for recruitment, performance evaluation and employee development within an organization. For the job specification, minimum acceptable qualification a person needs to perform a particular job. It provides a clear description of the ideal candidate qualification, including educational background, professional experience, technical skill, and personal attributes. So that job analysis information. For the job description, have three. The first one is job identification. Job identification is a process of recognizing or determining the specific role or position within an organization or industry. The second one is job summary. Job summary is provide a concise overview of the specific role within an organization. It typically include key responsibility, qualification, and other pertinent detail about the position. The third one is condition of work. It refers to environment and circumstances in which employees perform their job duty. The job specification also have a three. The first one is education. Educational qualification and requirement specific for the particular job. This typically include the level of education. Example, high school, diploma, and bachelor degree. The second one is experience. Experience refers to the knowledge, skill, and expertise acquired through the particular involvement in a particular field or industry. The last one is training. Training process is imparting knowledge, skill, and competence to individual to enhance their performance in a specific job or role.
Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to Dr. Hassan and my fellow classmates. My name is Muhammad Saleh bin Jamil. I am from class 1 BTMI semester 2. Today I would like to present about job design in lecture 3. Job design is the process of determining specific tasks, method, and job relationship within an organization. It involves structuring roles to optimize productivity, efficiency, and employee satisfaction. As an example, determining specific tasks means that job manager arrange specific job to each worker so they can do separate job to make the work run smoothly. As for job relationship, the job manager will contact each worker to make sure the work will perform at maximum performance. Alright, let's go to the next part, which is job techniques. There is three job techniques. The first one is job enrichment. Job enrichment enhances job content and responsibility to provide greater challenge to workers. Focus on enhancing job content and responsibility to provide workers with greater challenge. It involves adding depth to existing tasks, giving employees more autonomy and decision making, authority and opportunities for skill development. Job enrichment aims to make work more meaningful and challenging for employees. Right, the next one is job enlargement. Job enlargement involves increasing the scope of a job to offer more variety to workers. This may include adding additional tasks of similar complexity to an existing role, allowing employees to perform a wider range of activities within their job. Job enlargement aims to prevent monotony and boredom and expanding the tasks and responsibilities associated with a particular role, which means the worker will not feel boring and they will get excited doing more job in their specific task. As an example, when they do one job, the job manager can rely on them to do another job, so the work will be more efficient and the result will be at maximum performance. Alright, the next one is job rotation. Job rotation involves moving employees between different roles to broaden their experience and skill set. Job rotation aims to develop employees' versatility, adaptability, and understanding of various aspects of the organization. These three concepts offer different approaches to enhancing job design and employees' engagement within the workplace. By understanding and implementing these strategies effectively, organization and can promote employee satisfaction, motivation, and professional development. So the manager and worker relationship will become stronger, and the work will be at perfect result. Alright, the last one is maintenance. Maintenance in job design is crucial for keeping job description and specification current, reflecting changes in work practice, technology level of description, and certification requirement. By ensuring up-to-date job information, organization can effectively design jobs that support employee performance and adapt to evolving organization needs. That's all from me. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Jamal Hafiz bin Jamaluddin. Today I would like to present about the topic the job analysis and the employment law norms and practice, which is part of our topic in group discussions. First of all, we began with definition of job analysis and the employment law norm and practice. Employment law norm and practice play a critical role in helping the relation between employment and employers for ensuring joint treatment to protect the fundamental rights and of course maintaining a safe and healthy work environment. Alright, we continue about the next is platform. The first one, employment and labor law. This law cover various aspects such as anti-discriminations, wages and our regulation, workplace safety, family and medical leave. Also employment relation, they aim to promote fair treatment, equal opportunity and safe working condition. This a little bit of the example in law. So the next law, anti-discrimination law. Laws, for example, the since laws like the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the American with Disability Act to protect individuals from discrimination based on race, color, religions, sex, national origin, age, disability or genetic informations. This suggestion all because they want to ensure fair treatment in hiring, promotions, compensation and termination. Gitu. Next. Ada satu lagi. The last for the platform is wages and our laws. These laws establish minimum wages, standard, overtime pay requirement and regulation for our work. The Fair Labor Standard Act (FLSA) is main a key for legislation in this area to ensuring employees receive fair compensation for their work. Alright, the second thing, the most important in our topic, it is what advantages for job analysis and law and pro and cons. The first one is the most important to ensuring to provide and maintain a safe system of work, including making arrangement for the safe operation, information, institution, instruction, training, and also suspension of the safety and health as a mean to control and monitoring, also eliminate or reduce the hazard or risk. And the last, in conclusion, employment laws, norm and practice are essential for creating a harmonious work in environment to protecting the right of both and employees and employers, and also fostering a culture business of fairness, equality and safety in the workplace. So for today, that's all. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azam bin Jamri. Today I would like to talk about conditions that contribute to high performance. The first point is teamwork and active participation. Teamwork is effective teamwork often leads to better problem solving, increased productivity and better results. 2. Active participation. Active participation involves being fully involved in the activity, discussion of tasks in progress. The second point is knowledge sharing. The exchange of information, skill or expertise between individual, team or organization. The third point is edge technology. Cutting-edge technology is advanced technologies that are likely to continue to advance, such as artificial intelligence (AI), quantum computing, biotechnology, and genetic engineering, Internet of Things (IoT), and 5G technology. The fourth point is job satisfaction. Job satisfaction includes various factors such as the nature of the work itself, relationship with supervisor, compensation and benefit, work-life balance, and overall organization culture. The fifth point is ongoing training. Usually refer to the process of continuously updating and improving one's skill, knowledge and expertise in a particular field or profession. So, the sixth point is employees' reward and compensation tied to company performance. This can be achieved through various methods, including performance-based bonus, profit sharing, stock option or equity grants, and sale commission. The seventh point is ethics. Ethics aim to provide framework and principles to guide individuals and societies in making moral decisions and behaving ethically. The last point is constant feedback. Constant feedback usually refer to the practice of regularly providing input, evaluation or comment to individual or team about their performance, behavior or work. Next, I will present you about elements of high performance work system. So, the first point is organization structure. The way the organization group is people into useful division, department and reporting relationship. The second point is task design. Task design is meaning determine how the detail of the organization necessary activity and will be grouped, whether into job or team responsibility. The third point is reward system. Reward system is meaning encourage people to strive for objectives that support organization overall goals. The last point is information system. Information system enable organization to share information widely. So, that's all for me. Thank you.